Welcome back to the garden, or should I say polytunnel. So another general gardening vlog from me. So not sure what I'm going to get up to, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So we're actually due a storm here today, so today is Sunday the 20th of October and we're due storm Ashley, so I've gone ahead and brought my big Brugmansias in. Now these, you actually haven't seen these particular Brugmansias in the vlogs yet. This is in a border over the other side of the garden and the wind just whips right through. So it's more of a case of nothing to do with frost hardy, winter hardy. I'm kind of trying to preserve the stems. I don't want them to snap off, and the flowers that I've got as well. So going to show you a few clips what I got up to yesterday, and let's get into it. Yesterday I went ahead and dug up my largest Ensete. That was purely because I'm conscious of time. The bed behind me, like I discussed, I'm going to leave out as long as possible. So I'll put that little bit of footage in there. I lifted a couple of little bits as well. So I think I did my Canna lily, my Ensete, some small geraniums, and also my very small cutting, which is not so small anymore, fuchsia. So I'll go ahead, I'll put that footage in now. Unfortunately, I think I found a bit of an issue in the garden. Again, let me know your thoughts, guys. I'm pretty confident that I've got the Canna virus. Now, last year I actually divided a large Canna lily, and it did really well last year. No signs of anything. Really tall, really strong. Divided it into 3, so I thought maybe it's slow this year due to A, being divided, and B, the slugs. But I'm going to go ahead and show you a new one that I've had this year that my daughter actually bought me for my birthday, and then the one that I divided, the side by side. So I'm going to go ahead and show you those. Let me know your thoughts, but I think I know the answer. So I don't need to explain which one's which, guys, so just let me know your thoughts. I think it's brown bin destined, or I might even burn it just to stop any further spread if it goes in the brown bin. Let me know. This is my first year Musifolia, so that's done okay. Nothing special really, but it was a very, very small corm. I've also got another one planted over the other border, which you guys aren't going to see yet. I'm going to wait till next year to reveal that, because I'm going to do some winter work on it, which I'm excited about. Very quickly then, this is why George from George's Jungle Garden always says about tipping them upside down. You can see all the water in there, and that's in every funnel. So I'm going to go ahead and tip that up, and then that's just going to go into the polytunnel as is. Bit of dry soil compost. I won't do any more with that. The only reason I dug it up is because I am conscious of time. I've still got this border over here, which I'm just seeing how much I can get away with. one thing I've been excited about all year, and that's my hardy ginger. I'm going to flip you guys around and show you, but I know you've probably seen 1,000 on these vlogs, but something I'm super proud of within my garden. As you can see, I'm over the moon with it. Let me flip you around and show you. I've been looking at these for about 2 years, wanting one, and I actually bought them for £5 off Facebook Marketplace, which is a really good tip. I get a lot of things from Facebook Marketplace, and it was £5 because I know they can be quite steep. It was a tiny corm, and they're actually in flower, so I've managed to get them in the first year to flower from a very, very small corm. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to smell them. Don't know if the wet weather and this wind this afternoon is gonna do any damage, but I can safely say that I managed to get them flowering the first year. And obviously they're going to get stockier and better, so I'm really pleased with these. These are going to stay out because these are next to the wall, so I can't see any issues with these. So apologies for the really quick vlog. I did spend a bit of time in the garden yesterday, but not enough to film, and then today it's just been miserable, and this storm isn't gonna help the garden at all. As you can see, the bananas have looked great all year, but up until the last couple of days have really started to look shredded. I quite like the look of it. I remember going to Ian's and saying to his, I quite like the look of how they look on like a wind-swept corner. Anyway, I'm waffling on, so another video next week, be another gardening video. Hopefully get another couple of tour videos out before the season's out as well, so I'm excited to see that. Anyway, that being said, I'm off. Until next time, I'll see you in the garden.